So check this out. There's an AI that can secretly do about 1 lakh rupees worth of design work. Yeah, designers are probably gonna hate me for showing you this. But look, if you're a founder, a creator, anyone with an idea, this might just be the most important tool you see all year.
So is design dead? Well, let's talk about the problem with the traditional way of doing things. For any of you trying to build something, you know your brand is everything. But let's be real for a second. The old way of building one? It's totally broken. It's so slow, it's crazy expensive, and honestly, it feels like a giant wall standing between your awesome idea and actually getting it out into the world. I mean, just look at these numbers. Seriously, you're looking at minimum 4 weeks, just stuck in this nightmare of back and forth emails, endless revisions, you know the drill. And then you get a bill that can easily hit 1 lakh rupees. For way too many great projects, this right here, this is the roadblock that kills them before they even get a shot.
Okay, but what if I told you that that entire process, the 4 weeks, the 1 lakh rupees, all of it could be squished down into just a few minutes, all done right from your own laptop? What if?
All right, let's talk about the secret AI designer. It's time to introduce you to this secret weapon that makes this all possible. It's a conceptual AI, and it's called Claude Design. And listen, for the founders and creators who figure this out, this is about to become their serious, unfair advantage.
So what's the magic behind this thing? Well, it's powered by a super advanced model called Opus 4.7. And what that means is it can literally see, reason, and create. But here's the most important part. This was not built for designers. No, this is built for the rest of us, for the founders, the marketers, the hustlers out there trying to make something happen.
Okay, so how does the magic actually work? You're probably thinking it's super complicated, right? Nope, it is shockingly simple. We're talking about building your entire brand in just 3 super easy steps. Okay, you gotta see this process. Step 1, you give it some input. You can upload your own stuff or, and this is the absolute genius part, you just pick 2 brands that you already love. Step 2, the AI does its thing. It synthesizes everything, analyzing their whole DNA. We're talking colors, fonts, the whole vibe. And then step 3, boom, instant brand. You get a full brand identity generated in minutes.
Now, theory is cool and all, but let's see this thing in action. I wanted to put it to the test. So I tried to create a brand for a brand new Indian health watch, completely from scratch. And the goal? Build the entire brand in less than 60 seconds.
So for my input, I picked 2 really powerful references. On one side, I chose the Apple Watch, right? For that clean, premium, top-tier feel. And on the other side, I picked Ultra Human for that edgy, energetic, biohacker vibe. The prompt I gave it was super simple. Just merge these 2. Create a new aspirational health brand for the Indian market. That's it. And you have to see what it came up with. This is what it generated in seconds. And it wasn't just a logo. Not even close. It was everything. We're talking unique brand positioning, a full color palette with all the hex codes ready to go, clear rules for typography, even guidelines for the brand's tone and voice. It's like a complete brand Bible, all right there on a single dashboard.
Honestly, I thought that was pretty impressive. But that was just the beginning. It gets so much crazier.
Because the brand identity, that's just the starting block. From there, the AI takes that identity and builds you an entire launch kit. I'm talking an investor-ready pitch deck, a complete landing page ready to publish. And get this, even animated launch videos, all of it generated automatically.
So this brings up a really big question, and I genuinely want to know what you guys think about this. For a new project you're starting, maybe a side hustle, would you actually use a tool like this instead of hiring a designer? Let me know. Drop your answer down in the comments.
Look, this is way more than just another cool tool. This represents a massive, fundamental shift. It's a whole new kind of unfair advantage. And honestly, understanding why this is happening is going to be the key to staying ahead of the curve.
I mean, this chart right here says it all, doesn't it? The old way to launch an idea took weeks, sometimes months. The new way? It takes minutes. The speed you can now test ideas, change things up, and just launch it's something we've never seen before. It's absolutely unprecedented. And this is the really big shift we're seeing. We're moving past simple AI chatbots that just, answer questions. We're now entering an era of full AI ecosystems, systems that can think, create, design, and build. They can handle the entire creative workflow from the very start to the very end. Which means the entire game is changing. The real divide,
The real gap in the future, it's not going to be between designers and non-designers. It's going to be between the people who use AI and the people who don't. It's as simple as that.
So when it all comes down to it, here's the most crucial point. Tools like Claude Design are basically democratizing professional-level branding. They're making it accessible to absolutely anyone who has an idea and has the drive to actually build it.
So if you want to keep finding tools just like this, tools that give you a real edge, make sure you hit that follow button. And trust me on this, what I've got to show you tomorrow for day 3 is going to be even crazier. It's on a whole other level. You are not going to want to miss it.